This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Retry unable to access the configuration of current build error in FIFA mobile app on iPhone. Follow these quick steps to fix this issue. So the first solution is check your internet. Open a browser and open a random website. If the website working properly, it means your internet doesn't has any issues. Then you can turn on airplane mode for 20 seconds and then turn it back on. And you can switch your internet between Wi-Fi and cellular. Make sure to use a strong internet and then check the issue. The second solution is update the FIFA app. Open your app store, search for FIFA. If you see any update available, then update the app and check the issue. The third solution is offload the FIFA mobile app. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, iPhone storage, and tap on FIFA mobile, tap on offload app. Once done, reinstall it from here and hope this solution will fix Retry unable to access the configuration of current build error. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.